This will deploy a chemical suppression over the actual battery cells themselves and put out any potential fire. You can fit 2 batteries in the same space that you would have to put one Franklin or some other type of product, Powerwall for that matter as well. You have the ability to really interact with the AI software with your voice. You can ask it to, hey, can you help save me money this next week or next month?
We are going to be speaking today about a new battery solution that is coming out that makes a lot of sense for homeowners here in California.
I'm Matt Blakely from EcoFlow. Excited to be here with Terry from Forme Solar. EcoFlow has been around since 2017. We started in the portable battery arena, and now we are launching our new home stationary battery, the Ocean Pro Series. This is a product that's completely designed from the ground up to address the American market. You can do 80 kWh or 8 batteries per 1 inverter. 40 kW worth of solar that can land inside of that inverter. The minimum is 11.5 kW continuous, and you can go all the way up to 24 kW continuous to where you're producing some major power. We have a 15-year warranty, 6,000 cycles.
From an installer's perspective as well, we'd love to understand some of the thought process and the design in terms of how the physical dimensions of that battery was put together. Here in California, there's a lot of electrical regulation that prohibits a battery from being within 36 inches of essentially almost anything from a door to a vent to a window to your gas.
Our product is 48 inches high, 17 inches wide, and roughly 10 inches deep. One of the biggest things was that there was multiple apps between multiple different devices or manufacturers, and it just made it cumbersome for not only the installer to troubleshoot different issues, but for the homeowner to actually monitor their system. So what we're doing here at EcoFlow with the Ocean Pro Series is to be able to encompass all of these products, your inverter, your battery module, your solar panels, your EV charger, your smart home panel, into one umbrella that you can follow and monitor very easily. You have the ability to really interact with the AI software with your voice. You can ask it to, hey, can you help save me money this next week or next month?
From what I understand with the EcoFlow solution, you should now be able to pinpoint exactly which appliances, which devices are using the most amount of energy, if they're phantom devices, and ultimately this should be able to actually help the homeowner save even more money than expected just with the software and being able to intelligently turn off and on and manage various devices as well, right?
No, that's exactly right. We call it parasitical loads inside of the industry. These are loads that the homeowner doesn't know are on or consuming energy at random times a day, especially during time of use. To be able to control those devices or those loads is a big, big deal.
If I understand correctly too, then in order to do that, there's an integrated kind of smart panel or smart breakers as well that's within that platform that allows you to be able to manage that power.
Absolutely. So that just gives you a whole another level of control, is by having that smart circuit panel, right, to where now you can go in and monitor and control individual circuits inside of your home at a much affordable price than some of our competitors that have a smart panel solution.
Hey Matt, what's the most surprising thing that people should know about this battery? Hey, Terry here with Forme Solar. We've done thousands of installs here in California, and if you have any questions about reducing your electricity bills or solar or batteries, click the link below for a free quote. We'd be happy to help.
So there's a lot of surprising things, a lot of great things, but I think the thing that stands out the most for me, and I think will stand out the most for homeowners, is the safety of this battery. We have a built-in fire suppression device inside of the battery module that if there was any inclination of a potential fire or a punctured cell or anything, this will deploy a chemical suppression over the actual battery cells themselves and put out any potential fire. We have the first UL 9540B certification, which is typically reserved for larger industrial and commercial batteries. We have the ability to start 2 5-ton ACs or HVACs. We have a 205 locked rotor amp capability. It's a much more affordable option than the competition out there. So again, we wanted to keep to our roots of that portable space to where we're offering a quality product.
It makes no better time to get a battery system than today.
Couldn't agree more. Thank you for having me today. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Matt.
So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button to see more.